Speaking today. Focusing friendly.
Hello everyone, good evening, nice to meet you. This is Samya, an anchor of this program. Today I will introduce you a guest who is here.
Hello.
Okay dear, let's talk to him. Hello, excuse me.
Yes, please.
May I ask you a series of questions?
Why not? You may.
Thanks for your consent. Could you please tell us your name?
Thanks for your asking. My name is Ahzee.
Nice name. What do you do?
I'm a student.
What class do you read in?
I read in class Bachelor of Honors.
Another important asking for you. What is your ambition?
Well, I wanna be a barrister in future.
This sounds good. By the way, why are you learning English?
Well, you know, English is an international language. You can say it modern language, so I'm learning this language.
This is last question. Could you please inform us about your favorite hobby?
Oh yeah, it's so interesting. My favorite hobby is fishing.
Thank you so much for joining us.
It's fine.
Hello everyone. Meanwhile, we know something about Mr. Abid. So dear, no more today. Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Please take it easy and pardon me please. Okay, bye.
Bye.